Hello and welcome to this drawing tutorial. In this video you will learn how to add center lines, center marks, and center mark patterns to your drawing views. To start, either open the drawing attached to this tutorial or continue with the drawing you created in the previous activity. Note the different annotation geometry available in the Geometry section of the ribbon. Click on the centerline command. Next, select the top horizontal line that defines the hole in section view AA. Then click the bottom horizontal line, and now you will see a centerline between the two lines you selected. Now that you have created a centerline, right-click and select OK. You will want the centerline to pass through the entire part, so to extend it, click on the line. You will see arrows appear. Click on the right arrow and drag it to the right side of the part. Next, you will create center marks for all of the holes in the drawing. To start, click the center mark command. Next, start to click the holes in each drawing view. Start with the large holes in the base view. Then move to the one large hole and four smaller holes in the projected view. Notice how you never have to leave the center mark command to place center marks in multiple views. To finish, select the holes in section view BB and detail view C. Last, you will place two center mark patterns on the base view. Click on the center mark pattern command. Now click the top left hole in the base view. Follow the pattern in a clockwise direction until you end on the top right hole. Now right-click and select the OK button to finish the command. Next, do the same thing with the hole pattern at the bottom. Now you know how to create annotation geometry on your views in a drawing. Thanks for watching.